Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will show how to make a gate using popsicle sticks. First, gather your materials. You'll need around 50 to 75 standard popsicle sticks, a strong craft glue or hot glue gun, and a craft knife with a ruler for precise cuts. Don't forget small hinges and a latch if you want your gate to be fully functional. These items are essential for a sturdy and well-crafted miniature gate. Next, let's build the gate's main frame. Lay 2 full-length popsicle sticks parallel to each other, leaving about 4 inches of space between them. Then, cut 2 more sticks to fit perfectly across the top and bottom, creating a sturdy rectangle. Use your strong craft glue to secure all 4 corners firmly. Make sure the frame is perfectly square and stable. This foundation is crucial for your gate's overall strength. Now, it's time to add the vertical slats that give your gate its classic look. Cut several popsicle sticks to the exact height of your frame's interior. Carefully glue these slats vertically, spacing them about 1/4 of an inch apart across the entire frame. For added strength and a professional finish, consider adding a diagonal brace across the back of the gate. This simple step significantly enhances its durability. Finally, let's add the finishing touches and make your gate functional. If desired, attach 2 small hinges to one side of the gate and a corresponding post. On the opposite side, install a miniature latch to keep it securely closed. You can also paint or stain your gate to match your miniature scene. Remember to allow all the glue to dry completely, ideally for at least 24 hours, before handling your new gate.
Thanks for watching, stay juicy, and subscribe.